Hello there and welcome to the Foundations of Yoga Asana Yoga Poses with Andrea Yoga today. And in this tutorial, we're going to be practicing Utthita Hasta Padangustasana, or extended hand to big toe pose. We'll practice a few variations of the pose as well as the full expression. And this pose is a great yoga pose for beginners, as not only does it improve leg strength, but it also helps to develop sense of balance. By focusing on the body and on remaining stable, yogis reunite the body and the mind, helping them to feel peaceful. This posture, Utthita Hasta Padangustasana, will build strength in the legs, the ankles, stretch the groins, the spine, the waist and the shoulders, all while stimulating those abdominal organs. This yoga pose is also really great for relieving stress and anxiety, as the mind must be calm in order to hold the balance. We begin in mountain pose, otherwise known as tadasana. And from this position, from this firm, solid, stable base, we begin by shifting the weight over into the right leg and drawing the left knee in towards the chest. You can loop the fingertips around the knee as you extend the spine upwards. In this first modified pose, you bring your right hand to your right hip as you keep the upper body long and upright, slowly taking the left knee out towards the left hand side, and if it's okay on your balance and okay on your neck, you can look over to the right hand side. As we exhale, we're going to draw that knee back through center, hands draw to the hips, and pressing through that left heel, drawing the toes back and pulling in on those abdominal muscles. Draw those toes back as we extend the foot out towards the front of the room. If you can, rooting through the balls of the feet through the air, see if you can stay for a few breaths. To release, you'll exhale and slowly bring that left foot alongside right as we prepare to repeat on the other side. This section, we're going to come into a fuller expression of the pose. So we begin in Tadasana, this time with the hands at the hips. Shifting the weight over into that right leg, we're going to slide the first two fingertips and wrap them around the big toe mat of the left foot. Press through the heel to extend out towards the front of the room, and then gently opening up that left hip towards the left hand side, and if it's okay on the balance, you can look over that right shoulder. As you exhale, we're going to bring that foot back through center, use the abdominal muscles to hold the foot in place for a few breaths if you can, and then softly lower alongside. Repeating on the other side, so shifting the weight into the other leg this time, so into that left leg, we're going to wrap the first two fingertips around the big toe mat of that right foot, press through the heel, extend out towards the front, and then gently open out towards the right hand side as we look left. Be careful to engage the core muscles here. Bring that foot back through center, again using those abdominals to hold the foot in place. Tap the foot down if you need to, and you may find that flexing and extending the toes out towards the front of the room can help in finding your balance. As you practice the posture, you'll want to take care to keep the upper body long, tall and upright as you slowly take the knees and the feet out to their full extension. Flexing the ankles and pushing through the balls of the feet and the toes can help to stabilize the asana, but taking care as ever not to hyperextend the knee. If you find it tricky to reach for the toes, instead what you might choose to do is loop a strap around the ball of the foot, as it's important that you should not round the shoulders or the spine in order to get the grip. So if you have to lean forwards to reach for the grip, instead use a strap. In the posture, take care not to tense the shoulders or the neck, and of course remembering to keep that back straight at all times. Thank you for practicing Utthita Hasta Padangustasana with me today. I look forward to seeing you next time. Namaste.